Hi my friends, today we're gonna sculpt how to sculpt the baby hands. So just watch my tutorial and follow instruction what I give you. So that's I'm demonstrating what type of hands is gonna be, as you can see on my video. So let's start it. So you prepare your clay and all your tools. La la! So you need to get a wire and you need to put masking tape on top of the wire because the clay after baking can be react with the metal. So you need to do masking tape and start sculpting the hand. Just follow my tutorial. If you have a question, ask, okay? And after when we sculpt the hand, we're gonna paint. So we're gonna get some piece of ball of clay and started sculpting the little tiny hands. As you have to remember, guys, you need to be very have a patient because it's really tiny piece of like a close to miniature details. That's why you have a patient, just slowly, no rush, and start sculpting the hand. Now after this we're gonna start sculpting the fingers. For that we need a little bit piece of clay and you start any finger you like, but have so much patience. You need a lot of patience, guys. A lot of people which ask me when I sculpt, they say how my sculpting is not good, why I'm not doing very well, why it's getting so ugly, or the proportion is wrong. Everything needed time and a lot of practice and patience. Keep doing it and you will see your progress. You will see in the end how you're getting better slowly, and everything what you like to create you can create in the end of the day. It's not easy, it's not hard as well. It's a middle, it's patience and love and little bit effort to do it. So follow my tutorial, keep watching. As you can see on the video, I'm now start sculpting second finger. So that's you have to a little bit like a sausage and attach to the hand, okay? So that's continue to watching, guys. As you can see on the now I'm doing the fingers. It's really delicate time to sculpt because hands and feet on sculpture it's a very delicate part of body. So as you need to have some reference, like get some from Google from or Pinterest, some picture of baby's hand and have a reference to watch and sculpt the shape of hand. And after when you do the fingers, all the fingers, you have to remember you have to need some little bit like a needle tools to create the baby's nails, because after bake we're gonna paint it some little bit very bright rose color of the nails. So after this all the fingers when it's done you smooth with baby oil or you smooth with your hand if you can, but more important to just give little bit details. If you have some needle you just give you details of very sharpy object. You just have to be very careful because it's a needle. When you're sculpting too close you just have to be very cautious, and that's part of sculpting hand. After that you must bake it, guys. You remember every details of the baby hands, feet, head have to be baked after sculpting. And after bake, you have to paint it with Genesis paint, or you can use pastel, like an oil pastel. It's up to you which you prefer. So our baby hands is nearly ready, so let's bake it. And after baking, we're gonna start painting and give a little bit details of blush or nails and every details of baby's hand. So let's do it, the painting after bake. If you have a question, ask. After painting, after baking, everything is ready now. Now we're gonna start sculpting baby's feet. So you have to just follow my tutorial. After when we finish the feet, everything, we're gonna build the baby's body and our baby gonna be ready soon. So follow the tutorial, don't miss it. If you have a question, just ask. Thank you for watching. So next tutorial is a feet. Ta-da!